Come test drive the 2021 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, splash guards, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.